learners. I am Dr. Sunita Dhal, faculty with the School of Gender and Development Studies. I am proposing this course BGS 002, that is Gender, Science, Technology and Society. Let us look at learning outcomes. After completing this course, learners are expected to gain basic understanding about the dynamic interplay between gender, science, technology and society. Learners can contextualize the discourse of science from a gender lens, or what we can say, the learners can build a perspective on feminist science studies. Do we really need to look at science from a gender perspective? This is a question that the learners are expected to interrogate or engage in this particular course. And finally, the learners are expected to investigate the relevance of gender concepts in order to demystify the scientific rationality. Let us look at the core aim of this course is to understand the culture, process and the practice of doing science within scientific establishments from a gender perspective. And what are its specific objectives? The specific objectives of this course include sensitizing learners about the need for providing a gendered understanding of science and scientific culture and practice, and therefore we are looking at, like in India and also globally, the whole question of women's participation and representation in science, that is in STEM field, science, technology, mathematics and medicine field. Identifying practices, policies and programs for enhancing women's participation in STEM. And finally, the course will enable learners to engage with societal science approach in the field of climate change, environment, health, agriculture, local knowledge system, and also to look at some of the feminist concepts like what is standpoint theory and what is understood as feminist alternatives or feminist science studies. Now, let us look at the details of this particular course. The course is of 6 credit and minimum eligibility for this course is 10+2, and learners who are actually working in the area of civil society organization, research centers, scientific establishments, or the scholars who are actually doing PhD, they can also register for this course. Maximum duration for this course will be 12 weeks, and assessment pattern will include both continuous assessment as well as term and examination, and both the assessment patterns will be based on MCQs. With this, I hope the learners will enjoy doing this particular course, that is Gender, Science, Technology and Society. With this, I thank you and I wish that the learners can register for this course from January 2025. Thank you.